How to get free points on Shein. Hello, everybody. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the steps. So, open up Shein application, and once you open it up, you can participate in various activities in order to get free points. One of the way you can do is you can verify your email address. For that, head over to your Me tab in the bottom right corner once you are in Shein and look out for the gear icon at the top right corner. After you tap on it, locate the option called Manage My Account, tap on it. And once you tap on it, look out for email or phone number, tap on it. And here you can see we will be getting 100 points once we verify our email. So for that, look out for verify option and you will be getting 6-digit code. You just need to go ahead and enter it up and verify your email, and 100 points will be right into your pocket of Shein. Apart from that, we have other options available as well, which is writing reviews for items to that you purchased. For that, you can head over the item that you've already purchased and scroll down, and you should be finding a section where you can basically add up a review. So you can just write reviews for items and say about that, and you will be getting points according to your review available on Shein. And the thing is, you can just go ahead and check it into the Shein app or website regularly. There must be different offers available each time, so you can just go ahead and look out for bonuses for consecutive check-ins and different things, and you can participate in point-related activities and even host it on the Shein app to earn points. So you can just go ahead and look out for those options and keep an eye out for promotional campaigns where you can earn points by completing surveys or specific tasks. And points are sometimes even given out randomly during Sheen's live stream. You can just go and look out for that option. You can basically participate daily in marketing activities, complete daily or weekly tasks to earn points. So that is it. This is a brief explanation of how you can get free points on Sheen. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.